money is the root of all evil, or perhaps that you must be born rich to accumulate wealth. Today we're debunking money myths that could be holding you back from financial prosperity. We're stepping into the mythical world of money, a place filled with misconceptions and fallacies that often lead us astray from the path of wealth accumulation. These myths, ranging from the supposed evil nature of money to the belief that hard work alone can lead to wealth, can have a profound impact on our financial decisions. They can cloud our judgment, lead us to make poor choices, and ultimately keep us from achieving our financial goals. But fear not, for we're here to shed light on these myths, to reveal the truth that lies beneath them. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay tuned to learn more and empower yourself financially. First on our list, the misconception that money is inherently evil. This belief is far from the truth. Money, like any tool, is neutral. It's the intentions and actions of the user that determine its moral value. When used wisely, it can create opportunities, fuel innovation, and facilitate positive change. Money can be a force for good, providing resources for charities, funding education, and improving living conditions. Take action today. Start viewing money as a tool for good and see how your financial situation changes. Ever heard the phrase, "the rich get richer"? Let's debunk that. Many folks think you've got to be born with a silver spoon to accumulate wealth, but that's far from the truth. Wealth creation is not exclusive to the privileged. It is a journey that begins with a single step, be it saving, investing, or starting a business. It's about smart decisions, not your lineage. So remember, your birthright doesn't determine your wealth. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. Happiness can't be bought, right? Or can it? Let's dive into this often heard mantra. The truth is, while money itself can't purchase joy, it does have a significant role in our overall well-being. Financial stability can alleviate stress, provide security, and allow us to pursue our passions and interests. It can afford us the luxury of time to spend with loved ones, time to explore, and time for self-care. So, while it's true that money might not buy happiness directly, but it can provide the means for a more comfortable life. Strive for financial security for a happier life. Last but not least, the belief that wealth comes from hard work alone. This age-old adage rings true in our ears, but let's pause for a moment. Yes, hard work is important, but it's not the only ingredient in the recipe for wealth. Smart work combined with financial literacy can make a significant difference. Understanding investments, compounding, and smart spending can elevate your financial life beyond the ordinary. It's not just about laboring away, it's about making your money work for you. Work smarter, not harder. Equip yourself with financial education to build wealth. Now that we've debunked these myths, it's time to embrace the reality of money. Let's take a quick recap. Money is not inherently evil. It's how you use it that matters. Wealth is not reserved for those born into it. Anyone can accumulate wealth with the right strategies and perseverance. Money may not buy happiness directly, but it can certainly provide choices and freedom. And lastly, hard work alone won't make you rich. It's about working smart, not just hard. These are the realities we must recognize if we're to build wealth successfully. But here's the most important point. Your mindset towards money is crucial. You need to see money as a tool, not a goal. A tool that can provide security, create opportunities, and help others. Remember, your mindset can either lead you to wealth or keep you from it. Choose wisely. Congratulations on making it to the end of this journey into the truth about money. We've debunked some myths, and now it's time to reward your dedication. We have a free gift for you. It's a comprehensive guide, Myths and Realities, Your Path to Financial Freedom. This guide delves deeper into the world of finance, breaking down complex concepts into simple, digestible pieces of information. It's designed to further assist you on your journey to financial independence, and it's completely free. It's our way of saying, thanks for sticking around. You can access this guide through the link provided below. It's time to take control of your financial future. Stay financially savvy, and remember, wealth is a mindset. Don't forget to claim your free gift. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep debunking those myths.